Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the battery is above 20% and Bluetooth is turned on. Once done, open your device settings and navigate to Bluetooth or connections. This is where name fields live. Make sure the device is discoverable so the name change takes effect for others. If you use a companion app, open it now. These initial steps ensure you can access the correct menu and avoid interruptions during the rename. Next, find the paired or local device entry and tap its details icon or gear. You will see a rename or device name option. Select it to open the text field. Type the new Bluetooth name, use letters and digits, and avoid unsupported symbols. Make sure the name is concise so other users can read it easily. Once you enter the name, confirm or save the change. The OS will update the advertised name immediately or after a quick reconnect. To finish, toggle Bluetooth off and on or reconnect the device so the new name propagates to nearby scanners. Then verify the updated name from a second device by scanning for Bluetooth. If you don't see the change, restart your device and repeat the rename process. System caches sometimes block immediate updates. If problems persist, remove the pairing, rename, then pair again. This often clears lingering cache and enforces the new name across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.